is like the 5th time I've recorded this, so hopefully this will be the one. We're going to be talking about y equals mx plus b, the slope-intercept form of linear equation. Let's say we have the general form here, y equals mx plus b. For your slope, that is going to be found using your delta y over delta x. Delta is the Greek letter that they decided to use, mathematicians hundreds of years ago, thousands of years ago, that I had no control over. My bad. We have change in y, which is over change in x. If you have 2 points on that line, let's say you have point 1, we'll call it x1 and y1. And you have a second point that's also on that line. Sorry, I keep hitting that button. x2, comma y2. You can find the slope of that line. You simply take your y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And that will give you your slope. Over here is our slope, our y-intercept, sorry. Yeah, it's later in the day. I'm getting kind of tired, but I'm going to make it y-intercept. So if we had a coordinate plane here, which luckily there is a grid that I can use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's say I had a line that just kind of goes up to here. Here's my x-axis, here's my y. If I looked at 2 different points on here, I could use those to find the slope. I would just simply plug it in here, and that would give me my slope. To find the y-intercept, I can simply find where x is 0. So if this is x is 1, 2, 3, and this is -1, -2, it's 1 and 2. This is 0, 0, of course. And I'm just going to go straight up. There is my y-intercept at 0. 1, 2, is that 3? Yeah, that's 3. 0, 3 in this example. Here we have, let's say we were given a point. It was -6, -1. And the second point was 4, 14. We were told that the y-intercept was 8. So with that information, we can go ahead and write our equation. We have to find the slope first, which we know is change in y over change in x. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I'm going to do that here. 14 minus, since I have a negative number here, be sure you take the negative number. It's a big mistake I see a lot of people make. Over the x4 minus -6. When you have a negative times a negative, you get a positive. So all of that is positive. 14 plus 1 is 15. 4 plus 6 is 10. That can reduce, so we can take out the 5, which would make this 3/2. Now we have our slope. We have our y-intercept. Let's just write out the equation. 3/2 x plus 8. That is our equation.